Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you autobiography of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, born Amitav Srivastava, 11 October 1942, is an Indian actor, film producer, television host, occasionally playback singer and former politician known for his work in Indian cinema. He is regarded as one of the most influential actors in the history of Indian cinema. During the 1970s and 1980s, he was the most dominant actor in the Indian movie scene. The French director Francisco Truffaut called him one man industry. He was born on 11 October 1942 at Allahabad. Nationality Indian. Other names Angry Young Man, Shahansa of Bollywood, Star of Millennium and Big B. Alma Mater Sherwood College Nainital and Kirori Mall College Delhi University. Occupation actor, producer, singer, television presenter. Children Abhishek Bachchan, Shweta Bachchan, Nandan. Awards. There are so many awards which has been regarded and listed in the name of Amitabh Bachchan. He was born in 1942 in Allahabad to the Hindi poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan and his wife, the social activist Teji Bachchan. He was educated at Sherwood College, Nainital and Kirori Mall College, University of Delhi. His film career started in 1969 as a voice narrator in Mrinal Sen's film Bhuvan Shom. He first gained popularity in the early 1970s for the films such as Janjeer, Diwar and Sholay, and was dubbed India's Angry Young Man for his on-screen roles in Hindi films. Referred to as a Shahansa of Bollywood in reference to his 1988 film Shahanshah, Sadika Mahanayak, Hindi for the greatest actor of century, star of millennium or Big B. He has since appeared in over 200 Indian films in a career spanning more than 5 decades and has won numerous accolades in his career, including 4 National Filmfare Awards as a Best Actor, Dada Saheb Phalke Award as a Lifetime Achievement Award, and many awards at international film festivals and award ceremonies. He has won 16 Filmfare Awards and is the most nominated performer in any major acting category at Filmfare, with 42 nominations overall. In addition to acting, Bachchan has worked as a playback singer, film producer, television, and a presenter. He has hosted several seasons of game show Kaun Banega Crorepati, Indian version of the game show franchise Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. He also entered politics for a time in the 1980s. The Government of India honored him with a Padma Shri in 1984 and the Padma Bhushan in 2001 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2015 for his contribution to the arts. The Government of France honored him with the highest civilian honor, Knight of the Legion of Honor in 2017 for his exceptional career in the world of cinema and beyond. Bachchan also made an appearance in the Hollywood film Baj Lumhar, The Great Gatsby, in which he played a non-Indian Jewish character, Meir Walsham. Beyond the Indian subcontinent, he acquired a large overseas following of South Asian diaspora as well as others in market including Africa, the Middle East, Russia, United Kingdom, Caribbean, Suriname, Oceania, Australia, New Zealand and the United States. Bachchan married actress the politician Jaya Bhaduri in 1973, and together they have two children, Abhishek, and an actor, and Shweta, an author, journalist, and former model. Abhishek married a fellow actress, Aishwarya Rai, and together they have a daughter named Aradhya. Shweta is married to a businessman, Nikhil Nanda, who is a part of Kapoor family of Bollywood. Together they have a two children, Nabil and Agastya. The family resides in two famous houses, Jalsa and Pratiksha, both in Mumbai in Indian state of Maharashtra. Bachchan, the fellow actress Rekha were rumored to be having an affair in 1970s till the early 1980s. Neither have confirmed or denied the rumors. However, in BBC interview, the director Yash Chopra, when speaking about the film Silsila, confirmed that the two had an affair, saying, "I was always on tenterhooks and scared because it was a real life coming on into the real life." Jaya is his wife and Rekha is his girlfriend, and the same story is going on. Anything could have happened because they are working together. Many have commented on the similarities between the plot Silsila, starrer Amitabh, Jaya, and Rekha, the private lives of Bachchan, Bhaduri, and Rekha. Thank you for watching.